Well, we're on the final leg now. We've almost finished. What I've tried to do here is to give you a broad introduction to App Designer and show you how to do certain bits and pieces. There are a series of other in-depth courses which I would strongly recommend that you have a look at. But before we go do our final wrap up, I've just done one or two things with our little app. You'll see here that I've changed the toolbar, and we've got a couple of extra panes here. And whilst we're here, I would also recommend that you explore some of the other options. As an example here, there's one here for on our application details. Remember, we get there by pressing edit application details. On initial load, set focus to, and I've actually told it to focus on the customer combo. So there are all sorts of little properties like that that make your user experience better. You'll also find that within the VB script, there in the toolbar callouts, there is also a callout which allows you to set focus on a toolbar control and things like that as well. So let's just run this and have a quick look. Great, let's go. And you can see now my cursor is in the customer combo. So we'll just put our customer number in here. Okay, that looks great. And this was just a little bit of a play to show you that you can put different things in the toolbar, but also that you can change the style of what you're looking at quite quickly from, and I'm using a XAML control here with a particular style attached to it. And if you look in the VB script, that you will find how to do that. So just a little bit of a plaything to have a go at. So let's have a quick final look at what we've got to do next. What I would recommend you do is download the overview guide from the App Designer web portal. It is constantly being updated. In fact, it's probably the most up-to-date document of all, because we make sure that it's used through the testing. I wouldn't expect you to read and remember it all, but at least skim over it and understand what's possible. And when you need to do that, then at least you can make a reference to it. As I say, have a look at the last app I've just seen and see the changes. Have a go at doing the example in this course again without using the videos, just to see if you can remember how to do things, and then start working through the other courses, which are far more in-depth and very specific. If you've got any questions or suggestions, then please use the forum. There's a special forum for App Designer. The good thing there is that anything you lodge there, people will look at, and you'll get input from not only Syspro but other users. And the key thing to this is just practice, practice, practice. It's like any tool. If you don't use it, you'll forget how to use it. If you use it a lot, you'll become very, very good at it. So that's the end of it, really. As I say, what I've tried to do is give you a bit of an overview. If you have any suggestions, either on improvements of the courses or indeed for new courses, then please email me and let me know. And I wish you good luck and happy apping, as we might say. Bye.